Hi everyone, Samantha Jackson Photography here. I'm so excited this week to let you all know that with lockdown being in full swing, I've managed to have some time to focus on some other aspects of my business, which I've been wanting to do for quite a few months. What I'm going to be launching is my workshops. This will be aimed at moms, everyday moms, busy moms, who are wanting to learn more techniques in photography, whether it be basic photography or your everyday photos, using your DSLR, your phone, or even your point and shoot camera. These will be aimed at teenagers who want to learn more about photography from a basic level to intermediate level, and they will again be online workshops. These will be aimed at everyday photographers from a basic level to intermediate to advanced, and they'll have various levels of photography training available from basic to specific styles of photography, from boudoir to newborns to cake smashers to even weddings. So they'll cover quite a number of topics for the everyday photographer wanting to improve their photography skills and learn more. Again, these will be online workshops. So keep an eye out on all the workshops coming online soon.